Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how you can claim your Catizen Airdrop and also how you can withdraw it on an exchange. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. I regularly upload high-profit airdrops daily. First, open your Catizen mini app. You'll see the airdrop icon. Tap on it and it will calculate the airdrop allocation based on your activity. Then, tap the open button and you'll receive your airdrop. As you can see, I have received 2 coins, and from my second account, I received 9, which means I have a total of 11 Catizen tokens. Now you can either stake your Catizen tokens to earn more coins, but I don't want to stake them. I want to wait for the exchange withdrawal to open. So let's wait for that. Now, the withdrawal section is open. Tap the withdraw button, and you'll see many exchange options. I will select Binance. You will need to paste your Catizen address and memo, so let's open the Binance account. Go to the wallet section, tap the deposit button, and search for CATI. Now, copy the Catizen address and memo. Paste them into the airdrop withdrawal section, then tap the withdraw button. Once the Catizen airdrop distribution starts, you will receive your tokens in your Binance account. When Catizen is listed, you can sell them and book your profits. That's all for this video. I hope you understand the process. If you need any help, feel free to comment and I'll definitely reply. Goodbye and see you soon.